Web 2 was never free. You are the product. You probably do this every day. Wake up, check your phone, scroll Instagram, maybe Google something or watch a quick YouTube video. Feels normal, right? But here's the truth. While you're doing all that, you're being watched. We've been told these apps are free. Free to connect, free to post, free to grow your audience. But here's what they don't tell you. If you're not paying for the product, you are the product. Every scroll, every click, every pause on the post gets tracked. Platforms like Meta, Google, and TikTok use your behavior, profile you. Then they sell that data to advertisers. Meta alone made over $130 billion in ad revenue last year, mostly from mining your attention and selling it. Every search for something once and then suddenly it's everywhere. That's not magic, that's surveillance. Web2 platforms know what you are like, where you go, who you talk to, even how you feel. They use that data to keep you on screen not for your benefit but for theirs. And if you are a creator, same story. You build the content to grow the audience, they profit, you get what's left. Even as a regular user, you're the engine. You browse, they monetize, you give them your time, they give you more ads. A better version of the internet is being built. It's called Web3. Web3 is built around ownership, privacy, and freedom. You own your identity through a wallet, not a username. You control your data, not some server in Silicon Valley. You can build websites, communities, and businesses without middlemen taking the lion's share. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or just a regular user, Web3 gives you back your control over your lives. In Web2, you give up privacy for convenience. In Web3, you get both, plus ownership. Imagine owning your content, your domain, even earning directly from your site without ads. That's what Web3 makes possible. More and more people are switching, creators are building their own platforms. Startups are launching without big tech dependencies, and smart brands are future-proofing with Web3 infrastructure. If you're tired of being the product, it's time to be the owner. Hit subscribe button if you want to see how it all works. And if you're ready to move your website, brand, or content into Web3, send me a message. I'll help you get started.